So the gungo piece is still cooking. And the chicken here is just browning up nicely to cook down. It's brown stew chicken. And I have brown stew chicken on the channel before. And I have gungo peas on the channel before too. But in Jamaica this is Sunday dinner. I always have a nice delicious Sunday dinner. So fast as we can tape it. The chicken is all fry up. So she's gonna put some tomato, some onion, sweet pepper, what else? Country pepper. Sweet pepper and some country pepper because we have country pepper and we have Scotch bonnet pepper. Let me turn on the light a little bit because it's too dark. Turn on the light because it's a bit dark. Okay, see now? It's lighter. So we putting in this, the onion and the sweet pepper and the country pepper and the tomato. So we're gonna cook down the chicken now. Sunday dinner. And over here is the rice and peas. And I tell you all the time, why we put this bag here is to steam the rice, right? It make the rice steam nicely at the end. You know, you don't have to put it if you don't want to, but it make our rice nice and cook good. Yes, and it's plastic bag kill no one all these years. They even do it in the restaurant when you're eating your food. The plastic bag kill no one. So it just make the rice nice and have this shelliness to it. Not plaka rice now. Jamaican don't do no plaka rice. We do nice shelly cook rice. Okay? And that's how they do it with that plastic bag. Some people don't and it still come out shelly. Because if you put 3 cups of rice, you put 4 cups of water and you get a shelly rice. But if you don't really measure it and you just dash it in, like some people just throw it in, well, if you measure the water, it's perfect. If you don't measure the water, then you need a little bag, you have to steam it down. Alright? Yeah. So we have everything nice and cooking. And the juice is all ready. Yeah. For the Sunday dinner. So I show you when I'm eating it. I have a mukbang when I'm eating it. Yeah. So over here you can now remove the plastic bag, see? And the rice is all shelly and delicious, right? So our rice is nice and shelly. The plastic bag make it very, very good. Guys, not everyone love to pour the water out to measure and put back the water in. You know, so it's all nice. Let me have a taste of this goodness. I'm having a taste of it. A bit hot, I have to blow it. So good. So good. I'm gonna taste a little piece of the chicken over here too. Taste a little piece of the chicken. Taste a little piece of the chicken. So good. Don't need anything. The pepper is right. Everything is right in there. You just need to cook down a little bit more, but it's good. Very, very good. And you have to just turn the fire low and just cook it down a little bit more. Very good. Very good Jamaican Sunday dinner. A bit more of the rice. Lord, the rice is so good. Me say the coconut milk in it. Good lover, and me have to take a little bit more. Another big taste because it's so fluffy and so delicious. So I'm taking another taste. Okay. I'm messing up the place because I'm cooling it and pour it in my hand. Alright. I'm gonna pour it in my hand and have me a good eat. It's so good. I take second eat of the rice. So the rice, all the coconut milk in the rice, nice. And what they do, they blend the coconut and they strain it. Laverne grated, still grating coconut as much as blender is here. She grated the coconut, she rinsed out the milk out of it, she strain it, she grated about 4, she strain it and she put 2 in the fridge. And she put 2 in the pot, so you know how strong that is. Instead of Jamaica food, can't go down. Alright, so I'm going to eat another spoon of the rice. Alright. I will turn the camera off though because I have it in my hand. And then eat it and turn it back on. Let me share a plate so you can have some of this good food. I'm just sharing a plate. You can start now with the rice. Yeah. And you put the meat. I'm just sharing you a plate. Any part. You put the leg, one piece of leg and the leg. A leg and a thigh is good. Yeah. Yeah. See, I'm sharing a plate and the vegetables coming. Gravy, yeah. But just a little gravy over the chicken, not over the rice. A little gravy over the chicken. So I'm sharing you a Sunday dinner in Jamaica. Okay. And she's gonna put the vegetable. So we have cucumber today. And you just peel the cucumber and just, you know, cut off some of the green off it, and you know, that's how we have it here. You know, want a red color like some tomato. You have tomato? We're gonna put some, you have tomato? Yeah, we're gonna put some tomato in it. Some sliced tomato to brighten up the day. Yeah. Right. Oh, look. Oh, I love the tomato here. Look how the tomato color them. Look, oh my God. Look at the tomato from the garden. And the cucumber, how it look. Look how the tomato red have color from the garden. I'm telling you, this is good. Very looking all delicious, the Sunday dinner. Okay, there you have it, family. Your Jamaica Sunday dinner. I'm in Jamaica visiting, and this is what I get for Sunday dinner from Laverne. Rice and peas, rice and gungo peas, chicken, and just garnish with some tomato and cucumber. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.